What's up, peeps? Feeling a little festive this time of year, even in China. And in fact, it's even starting to get cold here, and last weekend, I saw a little snow. I also saw something else last weekend that might interest you. I got an invitation from a person I've never met on WeChat to check out a local Enduro race. Now, motorcycles are banned from most Chinese cities, but I've heard rumors that there's a local group of rebellious nutjobs who claims to shred just outside the city limits. I accepted the invitation and decided to investigate this claim. What do you feel about your chances today?
Oh, I think you're gonna make it through.
Some rounds the rocks will be very loosened, so yeah, it will be not that easy. I think we will have many small crashes. Because,
妈逼，怎么给油的熄火了？那这3年份吗？
上边到你那样子。去你妈！6个，6个，第1名，还是昨天的第1名。用力晃，
So it turns out riding motorcycles in China is pretty much like riding motorcycles anywhere else. A few friends, a few laughs, some friendly competition, and occasionally some good old-fashioned teamwork between competitors. And a lot of dirt.